welcome back to today's video. We are going to be doing our Boxycharm unboxing. Here is this month's box. We are going to open it up, and this month's theme is Rock 2018. Very cool. And then there is a little card in here as well, and it says Dr. Brandt's Pour No More. Woo! What's this? What is this? What's this? It's magic in the air. You know that song? Yeah, I'm sure you do. I hope this is anything like it. Damn, I don't think this is anything like the other one. Since it says Luminator, I wonder if it'll still be like a pores, like where it'll still like, you know, deflect your pores, but luminize at the same time. I don't know. We're going to try it out. I hope so. It smells very medical. Interesting. Next item in our box is Glam Metals. And this is what it looks like. Very cool. It's like a little rustic box, kind of like scraped up. And this here is by Crown. I actually don't think I own any palettes by Crown. Oh, that's pretty. Wow, look at that. Look at the packaging on this. That's cool. I like it. So it looks like there's a majority of them are some sort of metallic or shimmer shade, and then the black metal is the only one that's matte. So I like this color Rebel right here. So this is Rebel. Then we got Wild Thing. Very impressive. That one there is Punk, and then we'll do Pop Rock. Holy moly. I'm definitely going to play around with this. This is a really cool palette. It's very different. Definitely not like what we've been seeing here. I'm so ready to start off the year with some like really intense, different kind of variations of palettes. I'm very excited about this. The next thing I have in here is by Galactic, and this is in the shade Posh. I actually think I own this. I think I do. I've used Galactic products before. Yep, I actually think I own it. So I'm going to keep it closed because I'm probably going to add it into a giveaway. But I have used Galactic liquid paints before, and they're pretty good, I will say. And then the next thing we have in here is the IT Cosmetics Brow Power. This is a universal brow pencil. Don't do universal. Oh, I hate when they do universal. Universal taupe. Okay. So you guys, if you guys don't know, I really like IT Cosmetics. I think they have a really great line of products. And recently my favorite, or lately, my favorite product from them was their Superhero Mascara. Yeah. All right. Let me take some of this off. Oh, this might work. All right. I normally get scared with universal brow colors because they are always like much lighter than what I need, and I feel like Universal only works with so many skin tones, but that is definitely something I can get on board with. Okay, I'm gonna try this out. You know what, I'm not gonna knock it because every product I've tried from IT Cosmetics has been really, really good, so definitely gonna check this out and I'll let you guys know what I think. And then the last thing I have in the box is the Pure Cosmetics Bronze and Brighten palette. Wow. This coral shade right here is probably going to be way too bright and light for my skin tone, but I can get on board with this highlighter right here. Oh, oh, what the, what? Look at this, watch, watch. Let me show you, look. What is in this? Oh. Oh. Do you guys see that? Holy moly, what is this? What kind of product are you? Okay, this is probably one of the most pigmented things I've ever come across. This is something I would actually use as a shadow. Let me see something really quick. Let me grab a brush. I want to try this. I'm going to take a brush, like a flat synthetic brush, and I'm going to apply it as a shadow. Yeah. Oh, yeah. That highlighter, though. Let's try it. Oh, this is good. So, all right, you guys. So that there is my entire box. Anyways, that is everything that we got in this month's box. If you guys want to know how to subscribe and enter to start receiving Boxycharm boxes, I'm going to have my link down below for you guys so you guys can head over and check it out. And make sure to subscribe before you guys leave if you guys click on that subscribe button down below. That way you guys can be a part of my channel, be a part of my family. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day, night, weekend, whatever it is out there. I hope you guys have a great time. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys on my next unboxing. Well, no. I think, yeah, my next unboxing, right? It should be like Morphe. Yeah. Anyways, I'll see you guys later. Bye.